Eddie Vedder, man, singing about a better man. Better band? Well, here's a classic one, that's for sure. It's Boston on the Drive.
I'm filming, so it's just this general area.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, come on. Alright.
Is there a bad variety of love? I think it's both. Great song. Don't Look Back. That would be Boston. Title track of this second half of Body Station. With you right now, it's 3:41. It's a sultry day. Tomorrow's going to be a huge temperature drop from today as Mother Nature continues to confound us. Right now, 78 at the airports, 80 along the drive. After a low of about 52 tonight. Tomorrow's high, 57 degrees. We're expecting showers on Wednesday. And expect the Who on the drives live at 5, and we'll deliver it too. A couple of Tommy selections as Tommy, the Who's rock opera, which sounded like nothing else out there when it was released in '69 and holds up to this day. Released on this date in 1969. Tommy was, and we'll hit on that. Live versions of Tommy tunes brought to you by the Chicago Botanic Gardens.
Looking at buying a new car, huh? Which one? What color? All about resale value? Well, now at Hyundai, that's one thing you won't have to worry about. Introducing the Hyundai Assurance Trade-In Value Guarantee. Buy a new Hyundai, and we'll tell you now what it'll be worth later when you trade it in on your next Hyundai. Not a projection, not a guesstimate, a real number you can count on. Guaranteed.
You can get the Hyundai Assurance Trade-In Value Guarantee now at your Chicago and Northwest Indiana Hyundai dealers. Visit myhyundaichicago.com today. Trade-in value of qualifying vehicle based on independent source, less mileage charges and damage costs. Applicable to all new Hyundai vehicles purchased on or after May 1st, 2011. Valid only during months 24 through 48 of ownership. Trade-in value dollar amount must be applied toward a new Hyundai vehicle and must be financed through Hyundai Motor Finance, HMF. See www.hyundai.com or your Hyundai dealer for full details.
Every morning, millions of people skip breakfast. But thanks to McDonald's dollar menu at breakfast, they'll have to find something else to skip. Like dropping that particularly tricky morning yoga position.
Ow.
Retiring the jungle cat cologne. Or bypassing that morning traffic by wearing a jetpack. There are options, people, but skipping McDonald's dollar menu at breakfast isn't one of them. So grab a sausage burrito, sausage McMuffin sandwich, premium roast coffee, and more for just $1 each. That's the simple joy of breakfast at McDonald's. At participating McDonald's.
I'm the kind of guy that's always on the go. That's why I like McDonald's snack wraps. They're tasty, portable perfection. They start with a warm tortilla and fill it with your choice of grilled or crispy chicken, along with lettuce, cheese, and tantalizing sauce. If you want to beef things up, check out the Angus snack wraps in 3 bold flavors. Best of all, McDonald's snack wraps go easy on the old wallet, because they start at just $1.59. Portability, affordability, tasteability. Get your snack on with snack wraps at McDonald's. I'm loving it. Prices and participation may vary.
And now, Jake and John Leinenkugel with another reason to join us out here.
This is the last hole, Jake. You're up. Whoa, Jake. I thought that drive was bad, but listen to your voice.
I know, John. Walking 18 holes has left me parched. I wish there was something to help quench my...
I'm one step ahead of you, Jake. Give this a shot. Leinenkugel's Summer Shandy. It's beer brewed with a touch of lemonade flavor to create the most refreshing flavor under the sun. There's nothing like a round of shandies on a sun-soaked summer day.
Wow, John. Nothing quenches my thirst like the taste of lemonade. This summer shandy is a stroke of genius. You deserve a golf clap.
Liney Summer Shandy. Another well-crafted reason
Next up,
to
grinding.
join us out